Hey guys, it's Josiah. Welcome to another video. I'm on Play Pixel 3D. I'm going to be able to get one chest. I'm gonna be able to get the first one right here. Oops. No, so it's in the chest. Okay. We got some new stuff. Now I can actually get like a good thing. So we're gonna be playing what should we play? Let's play Team Strike. So this is like just for fun, so that I can get my last bits of things. I can be able to get my chest. Is that how everyone? What's up? We got some other noobs on the team. Ooh. Oh, he died. He died. Okay, good luck. Let's get in here. Ooh. Nope, fail. Got a hit. Come on. I didn't get a hit marker. No. What am I doing in my scope? Get that. He's even gonna take my kill. Oh, we killed him. Oh. Oh no. Did I get him? Oh, I got him. I got him. Yes. Yes, 2-1. Let's go. Okay, another good luck to that team because they're pretty good. Oh, it was a 3 against 2. Finish him. What? Yeah, get him. Yeah. I don't think that this is fair. Oh, I just want to get this last key. Come on. Let's go. I'm sorry, guys, if you think that I'm being mean. I just want to, like, get the keys. You know what I mean, guys? Get the keys. Oh, did he rage? Oh. I think he raged. Yep. I got 3 keys. And I'm gonna go. Oh, hold up. Nope, not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna go get these eggs. Okay, now I'm able to train. Did not fully trained yet. Next match, yeah. I'm gonna just get like a little bit more keys, so I'm able to like get it. And if you guys are ever wondering why I might keep on using my sniper, it's because what you call it? None of my other weapons are like that good. I'm hoping that I get the power claw. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I don't want to be in 2-on-2. That guy's probably not gonna be good. Well, he is higher than me. Okay. Oh, that guy left. That's 700. That guy's 776, but I'm 2,935. Oh, he's saying hi. Oh, hi. Hold up. Hi. Oh, I wish I could chat to them that I'm recording a video. Oh. I'm probably gonna do a Minecraft video. But first, let's get through this stuff. No, I don't think that they're joining. Oh, he's saying good luck. Oh, yes, we're in. Yes, 3. Let's go. Okay, good luck. Wait, where'd I just come out of? Oh, no wonder I'm in a boat. Oh, come on. Bro, they're both right here. I can knock out that guy. Come on, get him. Taser him. Yeah, engineer. That's the most easiest kill. Oh no, it's a... Oh, there we go. Okay, you guys... I think that he doesn't have Wi-Fi. Okay. Got a kill. Just gonna play some random smoke. This thing can shoot the walls. Who's this guy hiding? Oh, we got him? Oh, we did. Okay. Yep, yes we did. Okay. Get up here, grab some ammo, and then get up in battle. Ooh, I'll take the ammo before anyone else takes it. Oops. Would have failed double jump. Oh. Building. Oh, that wasn't so sick. Wow. That guy just like eliminated him. Okay. I'm gonna toss a grenade inbound right there. Go get it. Okay. Oh my god. I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. That guy had that ray gun. It should have showed like a strip of yellow. Okay, I think I'm ready to open the chest. If I'm able to open 2. Great. I don't want my revenge because I already got that stuff. Open and in. Okay. See how much keys we got. How much keys do we get? 10. We can open 2. Okay. Come on, guys. Wish me luck. Ooh, gems. How much? 3. Okay. I guess I have to take an extra good spin. Let's see what we get. Come on. Ooh, wait. Is it like... Oh, 2 parts. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So that'll be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Smash that like button. And I'll see all of you next time. Bye.